Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so it'll be harder to pull in.
Still been making our way along. We're going shallow now.
really-
We're down in like 6 feet of water.
Step. There you
Action's been slow.
go. God, real.
He's still on there?
Yeah.
I think he's caught in that other line too.
This one?
Yeah, just let it go. It'll be all right. We'll deal with it when it gets up here.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, that's good.
I guess not. I thought it was.
Back up.
Okay.
Quick release.
Quick release.